So since my office is close to IKEA, my wife and kids came to visit me during lunch break. So we have a little date in IKEA. Let's go. You trying out your chairs? Do not step on this platform, it says. Okay? Yeah. Why don't you try the one over there? Why do you have to try the ones on here? It says do not step on it. Alright, let's go. Move it. Move it. Move it.
I know. That's for big sisters.
Why don't you sit all the way back?
Look here.
Sit all the way in the back. Come on, Stinks. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Fits you perfectly. Get out of the way.
Yeah. Uh-oh, he's gonna fall. Exploring bed options.
Yeah, we love IKEA.
Mhm.
Love to try out all the things. Right?
What, are you getting a bun bag or something?
Huh?
What are you getting? Are you just looking?
Oh, yeah, the bunk beds. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I need ones that stack. So I don't think they have that kind.
Like you can put it down and stack it back
Yeah.
up?
Oh, this is the one that this is the one I was thinking about for the middle room.
Oh.
So this converts.
Oh,
goes
nice.
inside.
No way.
So it converts to like something.
This is
like
the
this.
one?
Yeah, that I was thinking for the middle room. Rachel
Okay.
has it.
He seems like I like that one.
Yeah. So this actually goes in.
Yeah. Interesting.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. So yeah, I think it would give us.
Hey, guys. Hey, don't put your shoes on there, please. Yeah, don't put it on the bedding, please. Thank you.
I actually like this better.
Yeah, I know. Thank you.
Colors are so pretty.
What's going on here?
You taking a nap there?
Yeah. I'm not bringing you home. Where are you going? Where are you going? Uh-oh, you found the drawer? Okay, guys. Seems like the kids have more fun than us. Hey, what's going on there? Oh my goodness. What is going on? You getting out or what? Come on. Hey, stop running around. Let's go. We are going. Okay, Nathan. We're leaving. Hey, don't go back in again. Don't. Hey, we're leaving. We'll never leave this place. Let's go. Let's go grab some lunch. What you gonna get?
I'm gonna try the salmon balls. I really like the salmon.
I thought you tried to be vegetarian.
I am, but that's pescatarian.
Oh, okay.
I tried the vegetable balls last time.
Okay. All right, let's do it. Move it. Is it good, the fork? How does the fork taste? Huh? How does the fork taste? You love the gravy, huh? Okay. That's it. Is that good?
Where's my napkin?
I'll get you another one. Is he gonna eat something?
We'll see. Not sure he's a fan of salmon balls. He loves the regular.
Not a fan? Want me to get another one?
We'll see.
Yeah.
They're okay. Not
Yeah.
sure I'd get that again either.
Okay.
I love their mashed potatoes.
Really? I wonder if they have a frozen for sale.
Yeah, I think it's pretty
I'm
good.
gonna eat green.
And we all love green beans, so that's a win. And what are you having?
I'm not gonna tell you. All right. I'm gonna get some frozen stuff. These are all the frozen stuff.
Interesting dessert. No, these little, they look like
Oh. Okay. Let me see. Wow. That's cool. I didn't know they have that.
Look, they have these are mashed potatoes. All right, they have them.
I told you.
Cool. You even have shredded potato cake. Oh, careful.
All right, we're gonna grab some regular meatballs. I'm gonna grab some regular mashed potato. And you're gonna try the veggie ball?
Yeah.
All right.
There.
All right.
Kind of blow that. Nine ball. Now it smells like trash, but it smells like weed just
Just now.
near that Mercedes.
Nice. Smoking weed in IKEA. So that was fun to meet up with you guys.
Yeah, we love IKEA.
Yeah, was it fun? Okay. Alright.
Now back home.
Back home. See you guys.